Hello, Tor Lacy here with a quick tutorial for Activity 5A, Plate Motion and Evidence from the Plate Tectonics module. In this exercise, you're asked to use the browser version of Google Earth and to zoom out to an altitude of about 10,000 miles above the Earth's surface in the region of the Atlantic Ocean, where you can compare the coastlines of South America and West Africa. Here, the coastlines, as we'll see in just a moment, match up. And if you go there in person, you'll find that there are glacial deposits that also match up on these continents now separated by the Atlantic Ocean, providing evidence that the continents were once connected in this area. So we'll go to Google Earth here, and the first thing that you may need to do is change from metrics to standard measurements. And to do that, you're going to go to the three parallel lines there, or sandwich, and go to settings, and under settings you can change the units of measure from meters and kilometers to feet and miles. Save that. And I also tinkered with the layers here. I went to custom and removed states and provinces to make it a little bit less cluttered on the map. And I also turned on grid lines. So my map, my Google Earth may look different than yours. If so, that is probably why. So now we're in miles, and I'm at 12,419. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. And by doing that, now I see Angola and I see Brazil. And you can see the shore lines for each of those continents. And imagine where South America might have been connected to Africa. Based on the shape of the two coastlines, give the present day latitude and longitude of two sites along the coast of these countries that used to be connected. So we'll just use the topography here, the shape of the shorelines, to take a best guess as to where they may have be connected. So I'm saying here and here was connected. We see that little protrusion there. That's where this dent would be here. Think of this as a mirror image. And then that's probably that there. There's Angola protruding out. So that might have fit in right there, say where Sao Paulo is in Brazil. So why don't I rotate that up? And if I hover right over it, you'll see that you get a latitude and longitude measurement. And that is down here. It's going to change, of course, because I just took my finger off it. But latitude is always first. Longitude is always listed second. So Sao Paulo, you could record that, and then you could choose another spot, say over here in Angola, and record that. Measure in centimeters the distance, the map length between the 2 points you recorded in the previous question. And there's a ruler icon that you're going to use to do this. So I know I was on Sao Paulo here, and I was approximately over here. I didn't record it myself, but we just need to be approximate here. So I've got the ruler, I clicked on it, released, and now I'm going to double click here right on the coast. And that gives me a map distance of 3,783 miles. And by clicking on the down arrow here, I can get it to centimeters. Those are the units I want based on what is being asked for in the problem. So then you will calculate the rate of separation. There's the rate formula, and that should do it. For further tutorials on rate, you can go into the exercises in the module here, and you may recall that that was covered in exercise 1.10, calculating rates of change, in module 1. And I've also got a tutorial in the plate tectonics module in lab exercise 2.5. And of course, please reach out during study hall or through an email if you have further questions. Thank you.